The Renault-Nissan plant in Chennai was the first alliance plant to be built after the two automakers joined hands. Since its inception, the plant has produced around 22 models, out of which 17 are still produced till date. After years of using the rebadging formula and competing in the market, 2021 will be an exciting year to keep an eye out because the Nissan Magnite and the Renault Kiger are two new BSUVs that have reignited the enmity between the allies again. TOI Auto took an opportunity to check the alliance plant out to see how the Nissan Magnite comes to life and how exactly will the current production capacity help the Japanese automaker tackle a high delivery period and the high demand, especially when the Kiger has now been rolled out in the market too. We began our tour in the Powertrain Shop where we saw the HRAO 1-litre turbo engine and the B4D 1-litre engine being assembled. The key highlight of this part of the tour was how the HRAO engine got the mirror bore coating technology, which has been borrowed from the iconic GTR. The mirror bore coating ensures that the energy efficiency is not dropped due to the friction that arises in the engine. We moved on to the stamping shop where we actually saw the automation prowess of the manufacturer as a giant pressing machine converts blanks into precise body panels at an enormous rate. Each body panel that comes out of the press is checked thoroughly and then supplied to the body shop. When we moved to the body shop, we saw the metal panels being put together and the extensive inspection processes each of the models went through. The most exciting part of the plant was definitely the trim and chassis shop, where we came across the final build of all the models, after which they probably moved to the PDI bay. The colorful assembly lines, multi-brand models, lots of Magnites and Kigers kept us all on our toes till we ended the not so brief tour. Seeing a few Nissan Sunnies around the plant was definitely a bit nostalgic. The final stage of the plant tour was recently built water weighing facility, where the Magnite gets tested to check for any undetectable leakages in the unit. Apart from all this, there were a few things that caught our attention and made us appreciate the automaker's efforts probably a bit more. The first thing would definitely be the autonomous robots that keep the entire production process going with their timely supply, and the second would be the safety standards adopted by the automaker despite pushing for optimum production. We are yet to see what the automaker will do differently to reduce the delivery periods even more, but after seeing the entire process, we can assure you that there will definitely not be a minor flaw to complain about when you get your hands on a new Nissan or a Renault for that matter. Stay tuned to Times of India for more news and updates.